Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify green screen key quality with After Effects Keylight detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening After Effects on your computer. Import the footage you want to examine by dragging it into the project panel. Create a new composition by right-clicking on the footage in the project panel and selecting New Comp from selection. Once your composition is open, locate the Effects and Presets panel. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Keylight and drag the Keylight effect onto your footage in the timeline. With the footage layer selected, go to the Keylight Effects settings in the Effect Controls panel. Click the eyedropper tool next to the screen color option to sample the green screen area of your. Adjust the screen gain setting to increase or decrease the intensity of the keying effect. Examine the result by toggling the view between the original and keyed footage. To refine the key, adjust the screen balance to match light variations across different areas of the green screen. Use the Clip Black and Clip White sliders to fine-tune the keying result and eliminate any remaining green edges. If any artifacts are present, use the Screen Matte view to check the alpha channel. Ensure the matte is clean by adjusting the source settings under the Keylight effect. For further refinement, enable Remove Color Spill to reduce any green tint on your subjects. Investigate the view options in Keylight to switch between the final result and screen matte views. Assess the edges of your subjects to ensure they are well defined without harsh transparency lines. If you notice any soft edges, consider applying a slight edge blur from the Keylight settings. For a final touch, use the Mask tool to create masks around areas that need additional adjustments. Render the composition to see the final output in its full quality. Save your project to ensure all your work is preserved for future modifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.